The bear carries deep marks of Samoan ancestry. If anything, it is the one art that only Samoans can pass to another Samoan. The method of receiving the bear is the same. It's tapped deep and dark into the skin and can only be given to you by a Samoan tapping master. In our case, the master himself, Liaifaiva and his team. My reason for wanting to get the be'a or the malofie ever since I first laid my eyes on a be'a. The desire wasn't there immediately, but the more I began to value our culture and our identity, that desire came. I remember seeing one of Some, their performance for the Poly group at Hastings Boys High School. Before they went on stage, he had drawn a be'a and taken a photo. And when Some passed away, that was a motivation for me. It was almost like Some was challenging me to get the be'a. Originally, it was supposed to be with Fili. I remember having those conversations with Fili. He goes, yeah, that's us, I'm keen. And that made it even more so important. Another reason that pushed me is the pride my partner has for being Samoan. The love of culture is embedded so strong with her. It's through dance service and whaasamo occasions where her malu would be shown, made me want it even more. The be'a, if anything, it's like beauty, humbling for not only me, but my family and my people. Man, the ka'eles after the be'a, oh my gosh. It's worse than getting the be'a. You know, especially when you're outside and with the hose. Not only is the be'a freshly tattooed, but then they have to then fofo and massage all of that ink out of your leg. And it's so painful. It's so true how they say, you're goa if you get this. Not only to receive the, to kali the au. Like I can lie there and kali the au and not flinch. But with that fofo, that massage, as soon as your hands touch my leg, I'm folding. But at the same time, I understand. this is the aftercare. The aftercare is so important because you've gone through all that pain. The kufunga has decorated your body with his skills and ability, and it's your duty to make sure that you ka'ele, you fulfill all this lama and the ink out of your body. It's a painful experience, but at the same time very grateful. So humbled to have like sanga fulfill my leg straight after the be'a, and showing his care because he's been through it before. Everyone's care and service, te kaukua. Although it's a painful experience, it's very important when it comes to the healing.
Usile fa'afofonga ai se io utala otoina leo langa o le tama tamua iso se aina ua te leo lau mama ona o lele amana ia ina tiona si uleo taule langona ufitia ifa o sosonga Fofola nilo fala, tala uma faufanga, e mala mai, ala uma mole savalina, o ala mani fai na tape, taya vo I o ele matangi, maua alo fa atua, alu e male fa amau. Pacifica, away, Tamasamo, Mayatato, Amofata Silota, Pao, Ole Folo, Lele, Fayato, Atasi, Awa Ole, Tuala Valeta, Utai, Alola, Ia, Faiva, Tofili, Maleta, Utuaina, O Aina, Maeka.
Showering. That was the most painful part of the journey. As part of the showering is fulfill or massaging. You needed to shower at least 5 to 6 times a day, 30 minutes at least and more. Showering was not only to wash, but is like the medicine to recovery, squeezing out the lama and keeping clean to avoid infection. Not only that, it would help cool and soothe the be'a. The tufunga, Liaifaiva, is always in charge, and each session he would randomly check out our recovery process. He would know If you were showering, walking, keeping the rules, or not, just by the healing process. If you were given a growling or told you could be infected, if you didn't shower enough, I would be scared. Scared of disappointing him and myself and everyone on this journey with me. So it's not easy as get the better and you're done. The journey of the better is a village experience. Those who helped me fulfill and shower were my dad Afali, my uncle Tawhatua, my brothers Ili, Peleti, Mauai, Anton, David, my sister Whamoa, and the main guns, my partner Alainu'Uese. Waking up every day to repeat the same process is not for the weak. The process is long but worth it. Beautiful and sacred. Now that the taboo is lifted and curse is broken, the healing continues.
Love you all, and thanks for all your support. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. So I knew I needed to finish strong, not only for myself but for my family, because of the road ahead in terms of responsibility. And with Auntie Avea, Mum holding my hand, Kawai massaging my feet, Dad sitting there kapuaing, my brothers, you know, sitting around, Pa'i leaning over in the seat, looking at me, nodding his head, you know, like, you're the man also. So that last part was so powerful for me, and I knew I needed to finish strong. Puka, as soon as the Koso's hands touched my stomach, I puka straight away, and that way Liaifaiva could do his work. He could speed up and do his work efficiently. Puka. By the time I got to the puke, they didn't have to tell me anymore, and I knew, you know, I was doing good. As soon as I felt the cool water, at the end, go over my body, I could hear Auntie Avea, you know, her voice start to break. Malole koa, Mum, malole kari au. Yeah, I knew it was done. I knew I had finished and crossed the line. A big sense of relief, but it didn't hit me at that time. It didn't hit me. Tears didn't hit me at the time. All I wanted to do was kiususu. All I wanted to do was kiususu. So I hit Liaifaiva, I just tapped him on the back. Also, if I kanganga o kiususu. And he said, pule aoi. As soon as he said pule aoi, I was relief, but a mission, a journey, powerful journey along with my family, those who helped me, you know, Kaele, Panthan, Solo, for me, feed us, do our washing, drive us, feed the kufunga on our behalf, run around, do our fe'aus. Man, I love my village. Love my village.
Fight. More time in my eye.
tunu. Faiva tapu ia, faiva le manuia. Ma foi mai aso tele sa tato mafutai. Tele mai. Tele ala fatino tautu. Ndio tangata umai au foi tautu. Ia ala tala la masa tele pada adupo. Lo meto ino la vere, mo meto ino ni sapot. Ia ao tutuli to ino yuta. Ia lo Mauai Liaifaiva sa di ao no faiva. Ao alo faiva. Ia ele mo meto mai ta i to rua ma atuau. Ia fa wa mela penga malanga tau mai asu. Ia no so atuala ia le mafau le nei foi fatu mama. Ia o ma sela ko sana le ko seria i faiva le o ko e ia mena ko sapo. Ia ai waswana mo. Oi lá o fato inicial não está tudo nada. Ele foi lá na tua ia tu manga sa wa foi nem fato fumava. Ia olhe. Tá lá tu na ele. Na tua ia ai memória tu na fato.
Ia po lá o fiong ele mako faiva malo fal dua. Leo o fa fonga ka pua ile. Ku ma fia wal ngeia fiafi male fa moi moi. Tala o ke ai langi le ku kan makan o vi ia le ku ai menga ia faia. Ale ba nganga mal ka ngoa. Ka oko Yesu kai. Ia un singa le o ngalu e ka fa uku ki mo. A wal ka ko fa mo mo mal ka ko ngofo. Ia fa ka wa ku le. La por kalame amae alo la le siva. Yang ka ko wo le ka ko ai. Ka ku wo kala fa ngo fia la ngai e de malam la mai sile u por ka mafa mar ka usami ka ku wo lo le ka ku ai ya ka ku alo ile ngisi ka ku fo fuanga ya le ka ma lo ya manguir ge fia.
Just seeing all those faces of everyone being there to support us from day one on our last day of our journey, Samanga. And then once they played that music and we started dancing, it was like I was standing from afar, but just watching, seeing Mauai, how happy he was dancing in front. It was an unbelievable feeling. Words cannot describe that feeling. And then also I turned to my left and seen Mausu Kavika dancing and crying. You can see all the emotion in his face. It made me like just tear up and be emotional. But a happy emotional that we had completed this, that this was our last dance. And then seeing Mum, Dad, seeing my daughter Chrome, my partner Louise come up to me and just kiss and congratulate me made it all worth it.
or my soa, Tauapa'i Oli, they got me through a lot of hard times. I knew that I was doing it for Mum and Dad, and especially for our family, Grandma, Mama, Fili, Some, those who have passed over on the other side. I often closed my eyes and envisioned them sitting there, kapuai, and that was my motivation, to finish the journey, but to also honor them and take them along with me. So yeah, that was the reason why we wanted to get our better for our brothers Fili, who's no longer here, and brother Some, and do for Dad, and the importance of getting that blessing really solidified the love within this journey by the way my family served, not only the kufunga and taukoso, but served us, and I'm truly blessed.